But Jamaica's never afraid yet.
Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, I'm back again with another video, my people. My people, I don't know, so when I come out, I come with the real news, Real news around here. So guess what I want to do? I want to press like, I want to share, I want to subscribe, and I want to press the notification bell and click all. All right? Tell a friend to tell a friend about Atafa the Press. I'm back again with another video, my people. Wagwan. I hope you're all doing good and I hope you're all doing great. Anyway, my people, you know, so me have to big up my good up subscribers, them, you know. So today, I'm going to give a shout out to Donna Garden, Sonia Bird, and Evelyn Dawkins. Big up on a nice clean self and thanks for subscribing to my channel. Guys, if you want a shout out, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, write I subscribe in the comment section and watch my video for more than 5 minutes and you will definitely get a shout out. My viewers and subscribers, you need to hear this.
The incident which took place at the gate of the Kingston Public Hospital, we have identified the deceased person to be Robert Marley, and he's from a Golden Heights address. We have identified also a main suspect, Everoy Smith, otherwise called Little Giant, and these are for Pink Lane address in Kingston 14, and we are asking him to surrender to the police at Denhamtown CIB no later than 6 p.m. on Thursday. Yes, and we have realized too that this particular incident have caused some amount of concern to our medical staff and hospital workers at the KPH. We have increased our security forces presence in and around the area and will continue with these efforts to reassure our health workers and provide a safe environment for them to traverse to and from work.
There you go, my people. I just wanted to share this information with you so you know what is happening in our country. All right. Anyway, you need to hear this because this is serious bad.
What you have relegated us to is nothingness. Not yes, not no, not abstain. Nothing. You need to resign, though. You're incompetent, that you missed the vote, or you didn't have the consultations in time, or you're a coward. And I don't want a Minister of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade at this point with cowardice. So it's okay to do the backroom affairs, but when you come on to the veranda or you come into the video light, you're afraid? But Jamaicans never afraid yet. We take a position, either no, yes, or abstain. There was nothing. Just imagine the ministers of CARICOM saying, but hang on a minute, how is it that Jamaica was in the room and they're leading us? They helped, as a minister said, draft the statement. And when it came to it, not yes, all of us are left out there. If I was them, I would say, look, Jamaica, you have no bold leadership. We're not going to war with you. We're not doing battle with you. We're not going into negotiations with you. Because when it comes down to it and the decision is to be taken, you are going to leave the room. To even suggest that, well, you know, anybody else that is criticizing her or anybody else that is saying something contradictory is not doing their research or not bright enough. It's just an arrogance. And what we're all seeing, we're embarrassed because this is not the courageous Jamaica we know under her leadership.
Lisa Anna, me glad how you come out and answer her back. Yes, me really glad because she thinks the people not have sense. I read the paper what them have in Israel and they deliberately, according to the paper, the Prime Minister of Israel thank the Prime Minister for skipping the vote. Wanna hear what me say? Wanna hear what me just say? It's in the paper. Israel Prime Minister thank Andrew Holness for skipping the vote. So they know what they're doing, Lisa Anna. They know what they're doing. A big coward them. Big chat then chat. They only have strength for we. They only have strength for their own people. They only have strength for we alone in the country. Nobody else they not have strength for. And when we attack and a lash out, they want to go like they want to come bad way up. When we attack the truth and rights. Lisa Anna, you are so right. You know, say a thing wrong, you know, do nothing wrong. She come go on like about people for do research and all these things. Yeah, and where she come from? Where she come from? About people for do research and I come go on like she nice around here. Hey, Kamina Johnson, you can't trick nobody because we know on a plan. We know on a plan we want up to. Yeah? So if you think that we are idiot, only deliberately do it because if you never do it, Israel Prime Minister who no come out and say in thank Andrew Holness for skipping the vote. Why would he say that? My viewers and subscribers, don't talk to me. Why would he say that? Listen to me. Me follow this thing up, you know. And Lisa Anna is right when she said you must resign. Yes, she is right. You must resign. Yeah? I may agree with her again. When since we brave Jamaican get so coward. Real talk, Lisa Anna. You're a real girl around here and we respect you worldwide. Remember me tell you that. Yeah, my people, no tell me what to think about this. Then things that they can outsmart anybody. No, it's not going to work with it. I just choose certain people that understand certain things and not do research. Then just come out and talk and don't know what go on. As me say it already, I'm going to say it again. I agree with Lisa Anna. Because if they never skip the vote, remember, you know, them already on Israel side. Them alone, you know. Andrew Holness and film team alone on Israel side. Because me sure know so nobody at Jamaica else not on inside. We Jamaican is not. We Jamaican is not on Israel side at all. Because all these things will happen, my people. All these things, people are lose their life. Like, oh, it is really, really sad. When me I tell her say it's sad, it is sad. Oh no, what go on. But true, they already agree with Israel now. They don't want to come and vote because they know say Israel them are going to vote for. But they cannot do it. So they rather skip it because they know they're not going to vote for the other nation. You know, get me, my people? So they know what they're doing. That's why Israel Prime Minister came out and he said he thanked Andrew Holness. It is in the paper. Why feel we paper them not put it out? Why feel we paper not put it out? They don't follow up things the way they follow it up either. That's why I never stop watching mainstream TV and watch blogger them. Because blogger them have the real news, raw footage, raw news around here. No sugarcoating, no cover up. Anyway, my people, tell me what to think about this. Because you know what, yeah, I've been really waiting for Lisa Anna to answer her. Because she did come across arrogant. She is arrogant. You can see that in her. Yeah. She go on like she nice, but she is arrogant. You know why she's arrogant? Because she don't have nothing good for say. She knows that she get caught out. She knows that she get caught out. So, what else to say? More than I tell people about don't bring crosses to her. You see she bright and out of order about don't bring crosses to her. Oh, watch the video clip. Come, I did put it up, you know. When Kamina Johnson talk about, oh, nobody not bring crosses to her and people for go do research. But when people hungry for headlines, so Lisa Anna hungry for headlines. Lisa Anna isn't hungry for headlines. Lisa Anna know what I do. She's very smart. She is very smart. And according to the paper, the Israel Prime Minister did came out and he thanked Andrew Holness for skipping the vote. So we know, say, right there, a skippy. Skip or no skip the vote, and that is wrong. Because as a leader, you have to act better. When you not gonna start act better? When? And you want another term, you not get it. You not get another term. We are not going to allow that. We Jamaicans not going to allow that. My people, there was a protest happen in London yesterday. Yeah? And the Prime Minister, let me tell you something. The Prime Minister of England, the Prime Minister, Rushri, or whatever they call him reach out to the Metropolitan Police, the head of the police force, and tell them to cancel the protest. You know what the police force tell him? You know what the police force tell the Prime Minister of England? He tell him say he's not doing that. And the protests continue. You see? So this man, the police, them stand up there on the public side. When Jamaica go learn, when police in a Jamaica, soldier in our country, when go learn, say the people who stand up with, are the people who stand up for, not them. We are who stand up for, are who fight for, we who fight for. So you see what me show you? See what me show you? Right. So no pick sense out of nonsense, me people. And watch out on no kulu eye and watch and see what go on. Yeah? Right, that's all. Anyway, tell me what you think about this video. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Big warm welcome to everybody that has been liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. Big up on a nice clean self. I'm out.